Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Exp19 Excel Chapter 3 ML2 Grade. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics and other courses. So we can move to the step number 1. So step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name Exp19 Excel Chapter 3 ML2 Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel worksheet. So the next step is step number 2. Step number 2 is a pie chart is an effective way to the visually illustrate the percentage of the class that and A, B, C, D and F grades. Use the insert tab. Use and setup to create a pie chart from a final grade distribution data located below the student data in the range F35 to G39. Copy the range. Go to the Excel worksheet. Paste the value and select the range. Use the insert tab. Create a pie chart. Go to the insert tab. Recommended chart. Select all chart. Click a pie chart. Click OK. And move the pie chart. Its own sheet name is final grade distribution. Copy the sheet name. Right click. Click move chart and new sheet name is final grade distribution. Click OK. So the next step is step number 3. Step number 3 is that you should enter the chart title to describe the purpose of the chart. You will customize the pie chart to focus on the particular slice. Apply the style 12 chart style. Move to the 12 chart style. And type the bus 101 final grade for 2021 for the chart title. Copy the chart title. The chart title, paste the chart title. Explore the grade slice of by 7%. A grade slice by 7%. Select the A grade. Explore by the 7%. Press enter. And change the F grade slice to the dark red. Go to the F grades. F grade slice the dark red. Fill color is dark red. F grade slice the dark red. Explore the okay. Remove the legend from the chart title, chart element button and deselect the legend. Step number 3 is complete. So the next step is step number 4. Best practice is to add alt text accessibility compliances. Add alt text is copy the alt text, right click, view alt text box, and question number 4 is a complete. So the next question is question number 5. You want to get a label, indicate the category and percentage of the class earned each letter grades. Add a center the data label. Add a data label. The label. Data label category name and percentage to the category name and select the percentage and add the center data label. Center data label. Select the data label option, display the percentage and category name inside and a position. Inside and a position. Remove the value data label. The value data label. Already remove the value data label. So step number 5 is complete. So the next step is step number 6. Apply 20 pd font size and apply the black text font color data label. Go to the home tab, 20 font color, font size, and apply the black text font color. Black text font color. Next step is step number 7. You want to create a bar chart to display grades for a sample of the students in the class. Create a cluster bar chart using the range A5 to D5 and A18 to D23 grade worksheet. Copy the range A18 to D23. The grade worksheet. A5 to D5. A5 to D5 press enter and A18 to D23. A18 to D23. Grade workbook. Create a cluster bar chart. Go to the insert tab, expanded chart, cluster bar chart. The cluster bar chart. Cluster bar chart. Click OK. And move the bar chart on sheet name is sample student scores. Right click, move to the chart and new sheet name is sample student score. Click OK. Step number 7 is complete. So the next step is step number 8. Operate is apply. Sorry. Customize the bar chart with these specifications. Style 5, chart style 5. Select the chart style 5. And legend on the right side, 11 pt font size. Legend 11 pt font size. And light gradient accent to fill color plot area. Select the plot area, format a plot area, and light gradient accent to fill color. Go to the gradient fill, light gradient accent to fill color, light gradient accent to fill color. Light gradient accent to fill color. Step number 8 is complete. So the next step is step number 10. Step number 9. Type the sample student test scores chart title. Copy the chart title. Chart title select and paste the chart title. Sample student test score. Step number 9 is complete. So the next step is step number 10. Displaying the exact score would help you clarify data in the range. Add a data label outside and a position for all data series. Select the chart element button, data label. Add a data label outside and a position for all data series. Select the outside data label, outside and a position. Format the final exam data series. Final exam data series. Final exam data series. Select the data series with the blue-gray text to fill color. 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 Text to fill color. Step number 10 is complete. Step number 11 is select the category axis and display the categories reverse order in the format axis task pane so that O'Hare listed it at the top of cigar and listed it bottom of the bar chart. The view all text is the chart show test score for 6 students in the middle of the list. Copy the view all text and right click view all text dialog box, paste the dialog box.